Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Hi guys, welcome to our project. Our project title is Towards Achieving Data Security with the Cloud Computing Adoption Framework. Next we are going to consider our abstract. Offering real-time data security for data is important for cloud computing. A recent survey on cloud security states that the security of users' data has the highest priority as well as concern. We believe that can only be able to achieve with an approach that is systematic, adaptable and well structured. Therefore, this paper has developed a framework known as Cloud Computing Adoption Framework, like that CCAF, which has been customized for security cloud data. This paper explains the overview, relation and components of CCAF to product data security. Cloud Computing Adoption Framework is illustrated by the system design based on the requirements and the implementation demonstrated by the Cloud Computing Adoption Framework multi-layered security. Since our data center has 10 petabytes of data, there is huge task to provide real-time protection and quarter time. We use business process modeling notation like BPMN to simulate how data is in use. The use of BPMN simulations allows us to evaluate the chosen security performance before actual implementation. Results show that the time to take control of security branch can take between 50 and 125 hours. This means that additional security is required to ensure all data is as well protected in the crucial 125 hours. This paper has also demonstrated that Cloud Computing Adoption Framework multi-layered security can protect data in real time, and it has 3 layers of security. The first one is firewall and access control, and second one is identity management and instruction prevention, and third one is convergent encryption. And next we are discuss our flow diagram. The first of all, the registration form is performed. The user will be command registration after the login. The next process is select data. Here the content owner select data. The data can be PDF or any file that can be converted into text file. After that we can view data. The next process is MAC address. MAC is nothing but a message authentication code for the file. And next process is user authorization. User authorization is nothing but a process. Here we can authorize, select appropriate user for transferring data. And next process is data encryption. The data can be encrypted by the data owner with the help of DES algorithm. DES is nothing but a data encryption standard. And next process is store data to CSP. CSP is nothing but a cloud service provider. The encrypted data is stored to the cloud service provider. And next process is re-encryption. The cloud service provider is the process he is used to do re-encryption. After that the user will be login. And next process is checking authorization. The user is authorized person or non-authorized. Here we can check. And next process is user receiving data from CSP. After, if the user is authorized person, means the user can receiving data from the cloud service provider in encrypted form. After that decrypted data, finally the user will retrieve data from the cloud service provider. Next we are going to run our project. Go for our project and click right button and go for run. The first of all the login and register process will be performed. If the user will be old user, mean directly login. Suppose if the user is new user, mean first of all here will be register. Data owner registration first. and password, mail ID, and I press register. If register means directly we are going to log in. Name and password. Login. After that, we content owner. Here we can select data. First of all, we browse. Here select data owner. Open here in this box. Here the file will be PPT or PDF or document, any file we can select. Content. Here I will select the file, and next we are show over data. And next process is select data from encryption. What is the file? I have select content. Select authorized user. Here we can select authorized user. What is the user will be transfer the data? I will select Kumar. Here we get message authentication code. The message authentication code is nothing but the security for the file. Here we can get our MAC ID. And next process is encrypt file. After that we have encrypt the file with the MAC address. Here we can select authorized user Kumar. And next process is re-encryption key. The re-encryption key will be performed. The next, the data will be going to store into cloud service provider. Here we can receive the data and get the same key, and then we can see encrypt file with the same key. The next process is the user will be come and log in. I already choose the user and user ID. I will give username and user password. Login. If logging successfully means they have sent request. After that, the cloud service provider will be check authentication. Okay. If authorized person means they will be encrypt the data from CSP. If not authorized person means the person did not receive data from the cloud service provider. Here we can show our encrypted file. The data user can get the encrypted file from the CSP, and next decryption process will be success. We can see our file, decrypted file. The next process, the first security frame level in existing system. The security frame level like this. In proposed system we have like this, and BPM in BPM is in existing system like this. Proposed system we have increased. Thank you.